before we get into the video, let's get into the build. I'd like to emphasize stock block, stock trans, stock unported intake manifold, stock throttle body, ESS G3X, 100mm pulley, 6 rib, fore fill system, E85 1000cc injectors. We did do oil pump gears, crank sprocket, upgraded crank bolt, headers, full exhaust, drag pack, Poppy Stars plastic dipped in the front, Mickey Thompson's VMS in the rear, 315s actually, not 305s, I know. And then some BMR goodies. We do have the BMR Bread and Butter 2 kit in the rear. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Pretty simple build. Like I said, I can't emphasize enough. Stock block, stock trans, over 1,800 plus hits, stock intake, unported manifold. Like, there's a lot of room to be gained on this Mustang still, but we'll keep it a basic, simple. So let's get into the video. So let me know what you guys think of the Mustang racing full bolt on E85 stock turbo GTRs. If you guys don't know, these GTRs probably make about, I don't know, anywhere from 600 to 650 wheel. Like I said, stock turbo, so they're not going to be anything too spicy, too crazy. They do still make a fair amount of torque. They do get out of the hole pretty good, but being stock turbo, they kind of just fall off top end. No surprise there. We all kind of knew that from the beginning, but just nice to see, get some research done. Racing GTRs in general is a huge win for me already. Like, I love GTRs. I really, really want a GTR. I just cannot afford a GTR. So we got the poor man's sports car here, and we're absolutely having fun with it. You guys know the Mustang absolutely performs well. Great horsepower per dollar car. Aftermarket support is huge. Parts are everywhere. All sorts of goodies everywhere for the Mustang platform. Lots of love for it. Not saying the GTRs don't get love either. You know, GTR are some of the fastest of the fastest after they're built, obviously. But as far as stock blocks, stock trans, stock turbos go, this is pretty much it, you guys. That's pretty much all they do. If I'm a dig, it might be pretty good. We're not too experienced doing digs on this new setup, but at the airport we did do some digs. Unfortunately, we didn't get to do any digs with full bolt-on GTRs. That would have been really, really sick though if we did. So if you guys want to check out some of the dig videos, check out those old videos from like a year and a half ago. We did run some digs at the airport, so check those out. But we also did run a fully built GTR, I guess. Had built internals, like a Shep 1K trans, I think, and then CCO 1000 package on it. So made about 1,000 wheel, and we gave it a very, very good run. I've already posted that video, so go check it out. Pretty much gonna do it for the GTR video here, you guys. Peace.